Welcome, wildlife enthusiasts, to a journey that unveils the delicate tapestry of life on our planet. Join us as we explore the stories of animals teetering on the brink of extinction, their struggles echoing through the vast landscapes they call home. In this series, we delve into the challenges they face and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty of these creatures and moved by the call to action to protect our endangered companions. In the dense, emerald jungles of Sumatra once thrived an icon of wisdom and tranquility, the Sumatran orangutan, with its rust-colored coat and soulful eyes. Yet, this magnificent arboreal species teeters on the brink of extinction, a poignant tale of loss echoing through the forest canopy. Envision the lush rainforest canopy adorned with vibrant foliage, the ancestral playground where these graceful primates once swung effortlessly among the trees. Their agile forms a testament to the beauty of the wild. Picture a pair of gentle, soulful eyes gazing out from the verdant foliage, portraying the remarkable intelligence and emotional depth of these majestic beings. However, rampant deforestation, illegal logging, and human encroachment have ravaged their habitat, leaving them critically endangered. The urgency to protect their remaining sanctuaries and implement stringent conservation measures has never been more pressing. Imagine a world where the silence of the forest prevails, devoid of the rhythmic rustle of orangutans traversing the treetops. It's a haunting future that compels us to act. Let us unite in preserving the legacy of the Sumatran orangutan, championing their cause before their gentle presence fades into the whispers of time. The breathtaking Amur leopard, with its striking rosette-patterned coat, once roamed the lush forests of southeastern Russia and northeastern China, embodying grace and agility. However, this magnificent feline faces the specter of extinction, its numbers dwindling to a critical low. Imagine a lush, dense forest, painted with vibrant hues, where the elusive leopard stealthily prowls, its sleek form navigating through the foliage. Picture a pair of piercing golden eyes peering out from the shadowy undergrowth, a testament to the beauty of the rarest big cat on the planet. Human activities such as habitat loss, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade have pushed these elegant creatures to the brink. The urgency to protect their remaining habitat and implement robust conservation measures has never been more crucial. Imagine a world where the vibrant wilderness no longer echoes with the majestic presence of the Amur leopard. It's a world we cannot afford to witness. Let us rally together, raising awareness and support for these exquisite creatures before their graceful presence fades into history's silent whispers. The Javan Rhino, a magnificent creature once roamed the forests of Southeast Asia, stands on the brink of extinction. Picture a dense, lush forest, alive with diverse plants and wildlife, where the Javan Rhino once wandered peacefully, its distinctive horn a symbol of its strength and grace. Imagine a scene of a mother Javan Rhino with her calf, a heartwarming sight that now faces the threat of fading away forever. Sadly, due to habitat loss, poaching, and human encroachment, their numbers have dwindled critically low. Visualize the dense forests being cleared, leaving little sanctuary for these gentle giants. Envision poachers hunting these rhinos for their valuable horns, driving them closer to the edge of extinction. The urgency to protect these majestic creatures and their remaining habitat has never been more critical. We need to raise awareness and support conservation efforts before the haunting silence of their absence fills the once thriving forests. The vaquita, a small and elusive porpoise species, faces a grave threat of extinction. Imagine a serene seascape, where these tiny marine mammals once thrived, their playful nature reflected in the gentle waves. Picture a group of vaquitas gracefully swimming together, showcasing their unique beauty and charm, a sight now fading from existence. Sadly, the vaquita population has dwindled drastically due to accidental entanglement in illegal fishing nets, mainly used for catching another endangered species, the totoaba fish. Visualize the menace of these illegal nets lurking beneath the ocean's surface, trapping and endangering the vaquitas as they swim innocently. Efforts to save the vaquita are hindered by the challenges posed by illegal fishing practices and the porpoise's critically low numbers. Imagine the desperate race against time as conservationists work tirelessly to protect these rare creatures and their habitat from imminent extinction. The fate of the vaquita rests on urgent conservation actions. We must rally together to raise awareness and support measures that safeguard these precious porpoises before their existence vanishes from the vast oceans forever. The Cross River gorilla, a majestic and rare primate, faces a looming threat of extinction. Picture the lush and dense forests of their native habitat, where these magnificent gorillas once roamed freely, their imposing presence echoing through the green canopy. Visualize a family of Cross River gorillas, showcasing their bond and camaraderie as they navigate their natural habitat, a sight that might vanish forever. Sadly, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has critically impacted their survival. Imagine the once thriving forests shrinking, leaving limited space for these gorillas to thrive. Envision the encroachment of human settlements and agriculture posing a significant threat to the gorillas' natural habitat. Efforts to protect the Cross River gorillas are crucial but challenging due to their diminishing numbers and habitat fragmentation. Visualize conservationists working tirelessly to safeguard these rare primates and their diminishing forest homes from the brink of extinction. The fate of the Cross River gorilla hangs in the balance. Urgent actions and widespread support are vital to ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures before their existence fades from the wild forever. The Hawkbille turtle, a magnificent and ancient marine creature, is on the verge of extinction. Imagine a serene beach where these turtles gracefully nest, their journey from sea to shore captured in a picturesque scene. Picture the stunning shells of Hawkbille turtles gleaming under the sun, showcasing their unique and delicate beauty. Sadly, habitat destruction, illegal wildlife trade, and pollution threaten these gentle creatures. Visualize the devastation caused by human activities, such as coastal development and plastic pollution, endangering the Hawkbille turtles and their nesting sites. Efforts to save these remarkable turtles are critical. Imagine conservationists working tirelessly to protect nesting beaches and reduce threats to their survival. Visualize a world where Hawkbille turtles thrive once again, swimming freely in healthy oceans. The fate of the Hawkbille turtle lies in our hands. Urgent actions and global support are essential to ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures before they disappear from our oceans forever. The Seola, an enigmatic and rare mammal, faces a critical battle for survival. Imagine the dense and lush forests of its native habitat, a haven where the elusive Seola once roamed, hidden among the verdant foliage. Picture the Seola's distinct appearance, characterized by its striking long, slender horns, an embodiment of its unique and delicate beauty. Sadly, habitat loss, hunting, and accidental trapping threaten these magnificent creatures. Visualize the shrinking forests and encroaching human activities, posing a significant threat to the Seola's existence. Envision the dangers of snaring and poaching, leading to the decline of this elusive species. Efforts to protect the Seola are challenging but essential. Imagine conservationists working tirelessly to safeguard these rare mammals and their diminishing forest homes. Visualize a world where Seolas thrive once again, harmoniously coexisting in their natural habitat. The fate of the Seola hinges on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of these graceful creatures before they fade into oblivion. Mountain gorillas, majestic and gentle giants, face a perilous threat of extinction. Picture the mist-covered forests of their mountainous habitats, a sanctuary where these remarkable creatures traverse the verdant landscapes. Imagine the tranquil scenes of mountain gorillas peacefully interacting in their family groups, showcasing their close-knit social bonds and nurturing behavior. Sadly, human activities such as poaching, habitat loss due to deforestation, and conflict threaten their existence. Visualize the encroachment of human settlements and agricultural expansion, shrinking the gorilla's natural habitats. Envision the dangers of traps and snares set by poachers, endangering these magnificent primates. Efforts to protect mountain gorillas are crucial. Imagine dedicated conservationists working tirelessly to safeguard these creatures and their diminishing forest homes. Visualize a world where mountain gorillas thrive once again, roaming freely in undisturbed forests. The survival of mountain gorillas hinges on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are vital to secure the future of these incredible beings before they disappear from our planet forever. The Asian elephant, a majestic symbol of grace and strength, faces a critical threat of extinction. Imagine vast grasslands and dense forests, the native habitats where these magnificent creatures once roamed freely. Picture the grandeur of Asian elephants, their towering presence amidst lush landscapes, a sight that's slowly fading away. Sadly, human-induced activities like habitat loss, deforestation, and human-wildlife conflict endanger these gentle giants. Visualize the encroachment of human settlements and agricultural expansion, fragmenting the elephant's natural habitats. Envision the challenges posed by illegal poaching and captivity, further threatening the dwindling population. Efforts to protect Asian elephants are vital. Imagine conservationists working tirelessly to preserve these magnificent beings and their diminishing habitats. Visualize a world where Asian elephants thrive once again, wandering peacefully in undisturbed natural landscapes. The survival of Asian elephants depends on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these incredible creatures before they vanish forever. Pangolins, fascinating armored mammals, face a grave threat of extinction. Picture dense forests and savannas, the natural habitats where these unique creatures once roamed, foraging for ants and termites. Imagine the pangolin's distinctive appearance, covered in scales that resemble a suit of armor, an incredible adaptation for their survival. Sadly, human activities like illegal wildlife trade and habitat destruction jeopardize their existence. Visualize scenes of pangolins captured for trade and their natural habitats destroyed by deforestation, impacting their ability to thrive in the wild. Efforts to protect pangolins are essential. Imagine conservationists striving to safeguard these creatures and their dwindling habitats. Visualize a world where pangolins roam freely once again, living undisturbed in their natural environments. The survival of pangolins rests on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are critical to secure the future of these remarkable beings before they vanish forever. Snow leopards, majestic and elusive big cats, face a grave threat of extinction. Imagine the vast and rugged mountain landscapes, the natural habitats where these magnificent creatures once prowled stealthily. Picture the snow leopard's exquisite fur, camouflaging perfectly with the snowy terrain, an incredible adaptation for survival. Sadly, human activities like poaching and habitat loss endanger these graceful cats. Visualize the challenges faced by snow leopards due to illegal poaching for their fur and body parts, threatening their dwindling population. Envision the impact of habitat destruction and climate change, disrupting their mountainous homes. Efforts to protect snow leopards are crucial. Imagine conservationists working tirelessly to preserve these elusive cats and their diminishing habitats. Visualize a world where snow leopards roam freely once again, undisturbed in their snowy mountainous realms. The survival of snow leopards depends on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are essential to secure the future of these extraordinary beings before they vanish forever. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, face a serious threat of extinction. Imagine the vast open oceans, the natural habitats where these colossal creatures once roamed freely. Picture the sheer enormity of blue whales, their immense bodies gliding gracefully through the ocean waters, a sight both breathtaking and awe-inspiring. Sadly, human activities like commercial whaling and marine pollution endanger these majestic giants. Visualize the historical scenes of commercial whaling ships hunting these magnificent creatures and the devastating impact of plastic pollution and underwater noise on their oceanic homes. Efforts to protect blue whales are crucial. Imagine conservationists working diligently to preserve these incredible creatures and their diminishing ocean habitats. Visualize a world where blue whales swim freely once again in undisturbed oceanic realms. The survival of blue whales depends on urgent actions. Global support and conservation efforts are essential to secure the future of these extraordinary beings before they disappear forever. As we conclude our exploration of animals on the brink of extinction, remember that their survival is intertwined with the fate of our planet. Each creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. It's not too late to make a difference. Like, subscribe, and share these stories to raise awareness. Let's become stewards of the natural world, standing united to ensure a future where every species thrives. Together, we can rewrite the narrative and secure a legacy of biodiversity for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this crucial journey.